how to fix FaceTime waiting for activation. So here's what you want to do. Go into your phone settings, and the first thing that you have to do is search for update. Here, click on software update, and you want to install any updates that you may have for your iOS version. Now, if you're up to date, the second thing that we have to do is search for FaceTime here. Click on FaceTime, toggle this off, wait for a few seconds, and then you want to toggle this back on. After you have toggled this back on, we will go back, and this time we will search for iMessage. You will just search for messages, like so. Click on messages, and here you want to find iMessage, toggle this off. Again, you will wait for a few seconds, and then you toggle this back on. And the last thing that I suggest doing is restarting your phone. So you'll just press and hold the power button, then you want to restart your phone, and this should fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.